Hello friends. Today, we are here to introduce you to how to add an expert to the MetaTrader 5 platform. On this page, you can read the steps for how to add an expert step by step. To download the expert and its affiliate, you can go to the Indicators section and click on the All MetaTrader 5 Indicators option. Select the expert you want. Here I will select this expert and enter the relevant page, and by clicking on the download option, I will download the expert file related to the MetaTrader 5 platform, and by clicking on the downloaded file. There are two ways to run the expert advisor on the platform. In the first case, by clicking on the expert advisor file and copying it to the MetaTrader 5 platform, or by clicking on the File tab and selecting the Open Data folder option. We will go to the MQL5 folder, and by clicking on the Experts folder, we will add our own expert advisor in this section, and by clicking on the Navigator tab, we will go to the Expert Advisor section where you can see the experts you added in the past, and by right-clicking in this section and selecting the refresh option, you can see the expert file you just added. You can run the expert by clicking on the expert file and dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure that the trading pattern option is enabled, and then click the Confirm option. Here the expert file will be executed for you, and you can use it. Another important point is that the algorithmic trading option in the upper section needs to be active. If it's in this state, you can click on this section to change it to active, and then you can easily use the expert advisor. The next option you can use from this section is I will remove the file once. I will also close the expert. Here, we can click on the expert file. We download it and select the file. We can run it automatically, which will automatically add the expert advisor section to this section, and we can run it by dragging the file onto the chart. Okay friends, we have reached the end of the tutorial on how to create expert advisors on the MetaTrader 5 platform. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.